with your single, actually nakatuwa kaming lahat. Oo. And dahil nga trending din yung kanta, and also, actually nagulat ako, natuwa ako sa live performance mo tonight. So, how do you balance ngayon na meron kang bagong single and also as a reigning queen?
Well, I guess with promoting my singles and being a reigning queen, it's all about time management for me. So making sure I have the time to make music. So when I have my duties, they set the dates, and then the times where it's free, that's where I really put in my work for music. Time management lang.
Okay. So as of now, are you going around Latin America for your duties or ano?
Well, I'm actually gonna go around Asia first.
Oh.
To crown new greatest Panamericana queens in Asia, which is really exciting. And then Latin America.
What's the first time hearing?
So Ganda-Gandahan was written by me and my best friend. So it was co-written.
Is that an inspiration na yung
Ako naman kasi, nung naging beauty queen ako, I wanted to create a song that was for the pageant fans, for women, and to empower everyone basically. And I felt that Ganda-Gandahan was the best way to show in the most fun way. Because I always want to make pop music, fun dance music, and that was my outlet. Ganda-Gandahan was hard.
Are you planning on releasing like a full album?
Yes, I am. So very, very soon in the coming months, I'll be releasing a new album. My very first debut album. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be pop music, fun, dancing, kasama.
What's your experience with 1RPM?
I love 1RPM. They really give me a lot of flexibility when it comes to releasing the music I want. Because they're really supporting the artists that are part of small labels. And they're really helpful as well when it comes to marketing. So they truly support their artists here.
So within, parang, bago magtapos ng reign mo, parang ang dami mo na ilalabas sa kanta and also mga di ba? So, any other project aside from music?
So far, I can't really delve into it kasi secret pa. Pero hopefully, I'll become an artist na soon, start acting, do acting workshops, release my album first.
Where can we see you perform regularly for next year?
So my next performance will be this Sunday, August 24th, the Miss Grand Philippines Coronation Night. I'm Ganda-Gandahan will actually be the swimsuit theme song this year for Miss Grand Philippines. So I'm so excited. I'm so thankful for ALB for giving me that opportunity. That's my next performance. My future ones, if you wanna find out when they will be, just follow me on all of my social media platforms.